What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are strong, not just physically but mentally as well. So as usual मैं कुछ ना कुछ नया करता रहता हूँ. This time what I'm doing is I'm planning to cut for the next 20 to 25 days depending on how my progress is. Why am I doing this? Because number one, I like to challenge myself, and number two, I would like to show you guys how calorie deficit can play a major role when it comes to cutting weight. Obviously ज़्यादा एक्स्ट्रॉर्डनरी कट नहीं होगा, बट द होल पॉइंट इज अगर मैं 20-25 दिन में कर सकता हूँ तो इमेजिन व्हाट यू कैन डू ओवर अ लॉन्गर ड्यूरेशन. हाउएवर बिफोर दैट आई नीड टू गेट समथिंग सॉर्टेड. एक छोटी सी प्रॉब्लम है, दिक्कत हो रही है मुझे विद माई लेफ्ट टो, एंड इट्स अ केस ऑफ इनग्रोन नेल. और बेसिकली क्या होता है, जो आपका जो टो ब्लेड है ना, it doesn't actually go straight, it kind of deviates away from its actual trajectory. So how did it happen? I guess it's a byproduct of playing football. क्या हुआ, there have been multiple cases. This particular toe has been stamped, and उससे क्या होता है कि उसकी जो toe blade की पोजिशन है ख़राब हो जाती है. Let me put this in a simpler way. It's just like Indian audience reacting to nepotism. I mean, yeah, they're going on this right path, but थोड़ा extreme जा रहे हैं, है ना? Do you agree with me? Anyways, every problem has a solution, so we're going to get it fixed. I think 2 or 3 days must be the recovery time. So let's get this thing sorted. So we're all set for the surgery. Let's see how it is. I'm kind of anxious, kind of excited as well, because I know I had to get rid of this anyways. Finally, surgery is done and we are sorted. We are all set to recover now. And I'll tell you what, pain is coming back because anesthesia is slowly wearing off. Anesthesia is just like your club's favorite player who doesn't stay forever. So what's the plan now? Yes, we'll still do the cutting cycle that we planned on doing. Cut rahega, cut will be going strong. It won't be as effective as it could have been with my toe fully recovered, but cut hoga because I majorly believe that it's the diet which is going to dictate how your cut flows. Yes, the cardio and the endurance does help, but अभी जितना हो सके करूँगा. उसका मतलब ये नहीं कि अभी तुरंत जाके I'll start doing bench press. I'm going to take off for the next 2 days. It's been an hour and the pain is definitely becoming sharper. I can feel sort of pulse in my left toe. However, I have this feeling it will be constant since that I popped in the painkiller, and I think it should be fine. ये जो 2 घंटे है ना, these are the most excruciating hours after an ingrown nail surgery. But you know what? I'll tell you something. एक चीज़ है, this is painful. Yeah, ठीक है, these 2 hours are painful. But you know what's more painful? Not being able to lift that. And look at that, those are waiting for me right there. और मैं क्या करूँ? ठीक है, दो दिन वेट करते हैं. लेट्स सी, 2 दिन जितना भी टाइम लगेगा फॉर रिकवरी वेट करते हैं, एंड we'll start lifting again. So how's my diet going to be like? It's more or less going to be the same. It's just that I would be making sure I have enough protein, calcium, vitamin D and vitamin C. उसके अलावा I'll be making sure I use enough turmeric. Not enough, ज़्यादा नहीं abuse करूँगा. एक दिन में ऐसा नहीं कि 4-5 चम्मच खा जाऊँगा. I'm going to make sure I have enough consistent quantity of turmeric, which is haldi, on a daily basis. I just want to make sure I use its anti-inflammatory property. At this moment I'm just trying to distract myself because अभी attention span मेरा बहुत छोटा हो चुका है, because हर तीसरे या चौथे सेकंड मुझे अपनी इस पेन की याद आ रही. तो मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, I'm trying to figure out what I can watch. So I was thinking कि UFC देख लूँ या कुछ, उससे थोड़ी मोटिवेशन मिलेगी. बट अगेन मैंने UFC काफ़ी देख रखा है एंड आई डोंट वांट टू वॉच एनीथिंग रिपीटेटिव राइट नाउ. फिर सोचा नेटफ्लिक्स देख लेता हूँ. नेटफ्लिक्स में वही है, थोड़ा ज़्यादा टाइम लग जाएगा. यू नीड लॉन्गर अटेंशन स्पैन फॉर दैट. देन आई फिगर्ड आउट देयर इज समथिंग बेटर. इट्स मोर एंटरटेनिंग, इट्स इन्फॉर्मेटिव एंड इट्स वेरी इंटरेक्टिव, एंड इट्स द मोस्ट डिस्ट्रैक्टिव shit right now, which is we'll watch the news, we'll watch the Indian media houses, and we'll find out what CBI is doing right now. मेरे लिए गांजा लाओ, चरस लाओ, MDMA लाओ, XQC लाओ. That's it for day 1 of my cut. I'll see you in day 2. Alright, day 2 of cut, और you may call day 2 of recovery. जो बोला बोल सकते हो, ठीक है, बट कट लंबा चलेगा, रिकवरी जल्दी खत्म हो जाएगा. I think I would prefer cut. How am I feeling? I'm feeling better than yesterday. Pain has reduced by probably 30%. Exactly तो नहीं बोल सकता, बट इतना है कि मुझे आई एम श्योर आई विल बी एबल टू वॉक प्रॉपरली टुमारो. अगर रिकवरी अच्छी रही तो शायद कल थोड़ी लिफ्टिंग भी कर लेंगे, ऑब्वियसली अपर बॉडी. एंड व्हाट आई एम हैविंग, I'm having eggs. It doesn't look very aesthetic, but you know what? It does the job. Why? Magnesium, sodium, potassium, and good cholesterol. ये सब आपको सिर्फ एग में मिलेगा, और ऊपर से it has all the 9 essential amino acids, which is great, right? I remember पहले एक टाइम हुआ करता था 10 से 12 साल पहले, people were scared of egg yolks. Egg yolks खाते ही नहीं थे. It's a very different situation right now. People have understood the importance of egg yolks and how good cholesterol is needed for your body. However, you guys must be wondering, अरे नाटी senpai, why are you such an hypocrite? खुद तो बोला कि एग yolk खाओ और आपने सिर्फ 2 एग yolk डाल रखे हैं. क्यों? Why? Simple man, you gotta play it smart. One entire egg contains 78 calories. अब 5 तो नहीं खा सकता मैं, 5 खाऊंगा तो ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, एंड आई डोंट वांट मेजॉरिटी ऑफ माई कैलोरीज टू कम थ्रू एग. आई जस्ट वांट द न्यूट्रिएंट्स. सो व्हाट आई हैव डन इज आई हैव जस्ट हैड 2, एंड आई एम गोना फिनिश इट विद सम बूस्ट एंड मिल्क, बिकॉज मिल्क भी ज़रूरी है. एंड या आई एम नॉट एडिंग हनी टू इट, बिकॉज हर चीज़ में हनी नहीं डाल सकते यार. शुगर भी डाल दो कभी बार, कुछ नहीं होगा. रिलैक्स, चिल, एंड आई विल सी यू इन डे 3. Alright, got a very decent, moderate push session in, and I'm glad I worked out. No regrets. And as you can see, थोड़ा सा low belly fat है. I'll take care of it. 1-2 हफ्ते में शायद निकल जाएगा, शायद 2 हफ्ते लगेंगे. और मुझे lower belly fat में दिक्कत नहीं होती है. However, I have issues with getting rid of my side fat. Why? Because it's genetic displacement. Fat is not the same for everyone. You might have issues with chest. I might have issues with my belly. So fat displacement is different from individuals. And what am I going to do now? I'm going to have a great meal, chicken, spinach, and put some peanuts over it. Recipe next video में बता दूंगा आपको. Sorry, I'm doing that cliched YouTuber cliffhanger thing, and if you look forward to it, so stick around. And thank you for watching. If you guys appreciate it, let me know in the comment section. And if you disagree, do let me know. I'm all game. Even if you're a flat earther, let me know क्या है आपके views, opinions, सब डाल दो यार. Like, share, and just forward it to someone who might need it as well. And subscribe, ये छोटा सा बटन है, just click it, ज़्यादा effort नहीं लगता. And उसके अलावा thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Till then, stay buff, stay strong, and cheers man, take care.